Welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays to everyone. It's time for a giveaway. I have 2 bottles of Simply Stylin Light Silk Spray in unscented. Everybody knows that this is my favorite product for wigs. It helps extend the life of the wigs. It helps you style them. It brings back to life some of the color in an otherwise dry looking wig. Really gonna love this. Your wigs are thirsty. So remember, you can always purchase this as well using my rep code for $5 off a full size 4-ounce bottle. I'll put the links in the description box below. So this giveaway today, I'm giving away 2 bottles. I'll choose 2 winners from the same pool of entries. It's gonna last for a week. So if you go in to register, you'll drop down the description box and click on the raffle copter link. When you click on that link, all you need to do is enter your email address, and that's how I will reach out to you if you are chosen the winner. So be sure to register today. I'll be drawing 2 winners here in about a week. So I'd love to hear your stories about the Simply Stylin Silicone Spray, how you used it, and how you've been able to maintain your wigs with it. Again, my favorite product for extending the life. I just simply spray a little bit in my hand and rub it into the ends of the wig where most of your damage is taking place. Also right at the nape, anywhere the fiber would drag on the clothing and create some friction is really what you want to do. Now, if you're looking at a wig that you just need to bring that color back to life, just to make it a little more vivid, you could put just a slight coating on your hand and work it all the way through the fiber from the root to the tip. The other thing I like to do with that product is define curl. So I'll put a little bit in my hand. Just give it a little bit of, when your hand's together here. And then I'll take each individual curl and I'll just work it through while maintaining the shape of the curl. And it will really help bring a little bit of gloss to the curl, as well as maintain the buoyancy of the curl. And before I forget, I want to talk to you about this beautiful hair real quick. So many of you will ask. This is the beautiful Raquel Welch's model mode style in the color RL1222SS shaded cappuccino. It is the lap of luxury, a long curling iron curly style. Perfect for updos and the holidays. See you later.